Hey guys, welcome to Versatile Cubing. This is Nagesh. In this video, I'll be teaching you the OLL, wherein you'll be getting the C shape. So you have the C shape here. So to solve this case, you have to keep the cube like this, such that the yellow line here is facing on the right hand side, and you just have to follow this formula, that is r prime u prime r prime f r f prime u and r. By doing that, you will be solving yellow. So here again you have the C shape, but you don't have the yellow line here. So you have to keep the C shape like this. So you just have to do this formula, that is r u r prime u prime b prime r prime f r f prime and b. By doing that formula, you will be solving yellow. So those were the two different cases which we'll be getting in the C shape. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. This is Versatile Cubing signing off.